Hello students, today it is your NBGI class 12 economics class. Today I will teach you concept of domestic income and national income. First of all students, we have to understand what is the difference between national income and domestic income. The concept of domestic income related to the income generated within the boundary line of India. For any country, income generated within the boundary line of the country is known as domestic income. And for the national income, income generated from the India or country or rest of the world by the normal residents of a country is known as national income. Now students, for understanding both, you can understand domestic income is also known as net domestic product at factor cost. Inside you can write NDP at FC, net domestic product at factor cost, but at the same time national income is known as net national product at factor cost. You can also write inside NNP at FC. Then what is the basic difference? The basic difference is NDP at FC, domestic income is the value of all the final goods and services, is the factor cost of all the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory, because this is domestic concept, within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year. Now we can also write the definition of national income. National income is the value of all the final goods and services produced by the normal residents of a country. You can also write it. It is the factor income of the normal residents of a country. It doesn't matter whether they are living outside of India or inside, but it matters if they are normal residents of India, their income should be added to national income. If they are non-resident of India, it means their income should not be added in the national income of our country. Now you have to write some basic formulas. Net domestic income, net domestic income and NDP at FC equal to GDP at FC minus depreciation. NDP at FC equal to GDP at MP minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes. For NNPFC you can write NDPFC plus net factor income from abroad. Then what is the basic difference? The basic difference is the net factor income from abroad. If we add net factor income from abroad in the domestic income, then we will get national income. And similarly, if we subtract NDP FC equal to NNP FC minus NFIA. Students, you can better understand this by watching this video again and again. Remaining part I will tell you in my next video. Thank you for watching.